Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial, we're going to teach you exactly how you can lock or unlock elements and objects and items on Figma. So let us get started and show you how to do it. Head over to figma.com, log into your account and access your website or application interface design. So let me go with that interface design here. And for demonstration purposes, let me lock that image here. You can lock basically any object or item in your design, be it a text box or I don't know, a photo and so on and so forth. So let me click into that object or that image here. So to lock it, guys, simply right click into it and select lock unlock here, or use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+L. So if I left click on it, the given object will be locked. So if I left click on it, I won't be able to do anything with it, edit it, customize it, move it, select it, none of that. So let me just undo this by pressing Ctrl+Z to unlock the given object, just like that. And now I can again move it around just like that. So you will see also the given object or item listed here in your list of layers to the left. If you don't see it, guys, simply switch from assets here to file, and here you will see a list of all of your designs or projects layers. So simply head over to the given layer, and here you'll see a list of sub layers, for example these items on that page here, and you will see or tell by that lock icon here or symbol to the right that the given element or sub layer has been locked. So to unlock it, click into that object just like that to unlock it, and now it's unlocked, as you can see. So that's basically it. That's how we do it. Let me lock it again by clicking on that lock icon here. Let me lock also that one here, or the entire layer just like that. So now I can't do anything with the entire layer here. That's how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.